Ow! Oh my god! Hurry! Corey!
I'm just sorry.
Go! You come on. Me too! Please go! Take this! Take it! Ouch. Okay. I swear, when we hopped that fence, that alarm thing went off. Not even joking. Oh. Look. Notice. No trespassing. Amber! You have to turn it around. Okay. That was part 1 of our New Year adventures.
Okay.
2009. It is New Year, January 1st, 2009.
Yeah.
We want to climb that next time.
Next time.